After I graduated from college, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with my life.
Before I applied at Hackbright, I was a program director at a textbook publishing company.
I was a project manager at a tech company.
I was unemployed.
I worked in nonprofit.
Second master's degree and teaching English as a second language.
I worked in finance. I was a pre-med student, an administrative assistant.
I was in college.
Finished my master's in urban planning.
And I decided that I didn't want to do med school. I liked my previous job, but I didn't really feel challenged by it.
It was not the job for me.
It wasn't a really good fit for me, and I wanted something else.
I really needed to make a change and do something that I was passionate about.
So I thought, why don't I try out tech?
I got to do some JavaScript and some CSS, which really got me thinking, wow, this is really fun. I love this part of my job. Everything else, not so much.
I taught myself how to edit the HTML on our website to make sure the information was current.
I talked to a lot of devs, and I thought that they were doing really cool projects, and I wanted to learn how to build stuff too.
I've been saying I wanted to study computer engineering since I was in Nigeria.
Started studying mapping and GIS technologies and wanted to really add to that skill set and be able to program.
So I was trying to figure out how I could learn more when I found out about Hackbright.
Hackbright was my first choice.
And I met with someone who had done Hackbright. They had just finished up, and she told me it was the best decision she ever made.
When I learned I was accepted to Hackbright,
I was really happy.
Super happy.
I did a dance around the apartment.
It's a very exciting moment to know that, something new is going to be happening in your life that's going to teach you so many things, even though you don't know what those are yet.
When I first started thinking about learning to code, it just seemed like something that wasn't for me.
It seemed like it would be a somewhat stressful 10 weeks.
But I got there, and the first week, we played some games with logic and with ordering commands. Okay, I think I can do this. As we went through the material, things just sort of fell into place, and the concepts that I'd only kind of understood started to make a lot more sense.
I didn't know that software engineers could be creative.
Now there are hundreds of Hackbright alumni all over the Bay Area and the world that are available to answer questions, help with networking, and just be an incredible resource.
I graduated from Hackbright in summer 2014.
Summer 2014.
After Hackbright, I worked at SurveyMonkey and Lyft.
Eventbrite.
Indiegogo.
SurveyMonkey.
And I'm a software engineer.
Software engineer.
Software engineer.
The people that I met through Hackbright became this community of people that I really needed in order to succeed there.